Hey DJ Craze, how you doing?
I'm alright.
Great to meet you. You know, I've always wanted to know all these little tricks with scratching and that. I want you to teach me some.
When you're scratching, you want to like cut the fader in and out because that cuts the sound in and out. So like the simplest scratch would be like just bringing it back and forth and just going. Then you cut off the fader so you don't hear the back scratch of it, and you do it again. That's just a simple scratch. And then there's this other one called the FLAIR, and this one's like an illusion. It's like you're really not doing it that fast, but it sounds like you're going fast. What it is like you start with the fader on, cut the fader off, cut it on, bring it back. So it's like. The military scratch was just like. Sounds like a march. This thing called the crab. So what you want to do is like you snap your fingers, all of them, on the fader. So you go.
Oh wow.
And that makes it sound like. You know what I'm saying? It sounds like, yeah, it sounds really fast, but it ain't, you know, it's not really hard to do.
DJ Craze is a bad mother.
Say go DJ, that my DJ.
Craze. Craze.
That my DJ.
Craze.
DJ.
I feel bad. 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 I feel bad.